This is Wild About Utah.
The year of the tiger. Our mountains and canyons and valleys are replete with tigers. There's no escaping them. Tiger swallowtail butterflies. Even my grandkids captured one, which entertained them for days. It had a damaged wing and preferred crawling to flying. Its angelic beauty transfixed the onlookers. Although injured, it hung on for a week, about the average lifespan of an adult butterfly. The normal range of the western tiger swallowtail covers much of western North America, from British Columbia to North Dakota in the north, to Baja, California, and New Mexico south. Individuals occasionally turn up in eastern North America, though it is generally replaced by the similar eastern tiger swallowtail. Western tigers emerge from winter chrysalids between February and May, the date depending on temperature. They are seen earlier in the more southerly and coastal parts of their range. These are high-energy butterflies, rarely seen at rest. The females lay up to 100 eggs on a wide variety of host plants, including willows, aspens, ashes, poplars, alders, and cottonwood. The eggs are deep green, shiny, and spherical. They are laid singly on the underside of leaves. The caterpillars emerge about 4 days later. The caterpillars molt 5 times, eventually reaching a length of up to 2 inches before pupating to adults. In summer, the butterfly can emerge as quickly as 15 days after the caterpillars pupated. But when the caterpillar pupates in the fall, the butterfly does not emerge until the spring. For camouflage, the young caterpillars strangely resemble bird poop as they hatch. Once they begin to molt, they turn bright green in color with large yellow eye spot marks studded with black and blue pupils. These fake eyes may frighten predators, along with retractable, iridescent, horn-like structures on their heads. To harvest nectar, a butterfly unfurls its proboscis, a tube that functions like a straw and is coiled below the head when not in use. It inserts the proboscis into the flower and sucks up the nectar by rhythmically contracting the muscles in its head. Sugars in the nectar provide energy for flight, defense, reproduction, and other daily activities. Tigers also obtain nutrients and replenish their fluids through puddling, where they congregate in large groups on mud or wet sand about puddles, stream banks, or on piles of fresh manure. I've observed puddling many times, always a levitating experience. Here they take up salts, proteins, and minerals. Salt is scarce in the butterfly diet, but is essential for reproduction and flight. Puddling is primarily a male behavior, and during mating, a male butterfly transfers salt to the female in a sperm package, which she incorporates into her eggs. Researchers have found that sodium increases reproductive success in some butterfly species. During puddling, groups of males are conspicuous to females seeking mates. Males also patrol at treetop level looking for mates, swooping down to intercept females. Thus, if you see a tiger, don't be alarmed. Just relax and enjoy their exquisite beauty and fascinating behaviors. This is Jack Green for Bridgeland Audubon Society, and I'm wild about Utah and its puddling tigers.